Hey YouTube, do you want to make $19.50 an hour? I got awesome ways on how to make money online in the 2019. Number one is called LL Bean in Bangor, Maryland. You're going to be a home agent rep. It's a temp position. You know, they need you for now, basically. You must be an advanced, skilled, and comfortable with computer systems and technology. Not a lot of people are comfortable with that, but I'm going to show you how to make money online today. And that's number one. And you must also have the ability and be comfortable working independently and virtually, meaning from home, working from home. Number two is called Asurion Customer Service Rep, $11 an hour. Both English and Spanish opportunities available. Flexible to work all shifts as required. So you could work evenings, you could work weekends, you could work holidays, but you must have a computer with a Windows 7 or greater. So if you have Windows 7 or greater, this job is definitely for you, and they're going to pay you up to $11 an hour. Number three is called Frosh Travel, and this is an after-hours advisor, managing clients' travel reservations from initial requests to completion. You're going to be completing the client's reservations. This includes coordinating airline, hotel, car rental, and other travel needs for the client. So that's what you're going to be, an at-home, after-hours advisor. Or you must have at least 3 years recent native GDS experience on Sabre, whatever that is required. At least 1 year of Apollo preferred. Number four is Sovereign Solutions in New York City. Telesales Rep. Successfully sell Sovereign Solutions products with a strategic staffing solutions over competing, offering through inbound and outbound calls with B2B products. Record accounts, related data in their CRM. Bachelor's degree in business management. That's number four. Number five is called Optamark Graphics in New York City. This is a sales rep, but you're going to be getting paid on commission. You must develop and maintain an outstanding working relationship with customers to ensure customer satisfaction. You must have 2 years in sales, customer service, 2 years in customer service, and 2 years in call center environment. Number six is called Shippo. Customer service rep must be energized by high pressure situations and in a fast paced workplace and a very busy inbox. So you're going to get a lot of inbox emails from customers, and you must be able to welcome and embrace change as they continue to learn and grow in the company. As you continue to learn and grow in the company, a minimum of 2 years experience working in a direct customer facing role, with at least one of those years being primarily via written communications. Number seven is called Morneau Shapell. Overnight contact center rep in Spanish. Fluent in Spanish and English, verbally and written. In Spanish and English, verbal and written. So if you speak Spanish and English in verbally and also in written, you can write Spanish. This job is definitely for you. The ability to work with work shifts, which may require days, evenings, and weekends. So you gotta be You must have the ability to be flexible with this job. The number 8 is called Branopak in Richmond, Virginia. Appointment setter, $10 to $15 an hour, part-time position. And you're going to be cold calling and setting appointments for the sales team, as well as establishing effective customer relations. Will be an essential. This will be an essential part of your role. Establishing effective customer relationships with the customers. You must be located in Richmond, Virginia, and you must have 1 year of telemarketing. 1 year of telemarketing. Number 9 is called Sentext Solutions. This is a sales rep in Camden, New Jersey. Earn $200 to $500 plus commission. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna deposit the money directly into your account, into your bank account, in just 2 business days. So not only are you gonna make up to $200 to $500 on top of that, plus commission. How awesome is that? And you got to start you have to start selling products immediately. Soon as you, which is a no-brainer, soon as you sign up, you just start making sales. Start selling products. And they also have management opportunities available, so you have a chance to move up in the job. Like you're going to go in as a sales rep, and you could come out as a manager, managing other people. How awesome is that, y'all? Managing all other people, from a sales rep moving up to a manager. That's so freaking cool. And what they do with this job is that they put their money, it's like direct deposit, it goes right to your bank account. And 2 business days, in 48 hours, you will be getting your check. Your check will be in your account. How awesome is that? Number 10 is called Sunnen Products Company in New York City. Teaching assistant. 15. This is the one I was talking about. $15.50 to $19.50 an hour, and this is only a part-time position. You get bonuses and tips available for a hard worker. So if they see that your work, like you're coming up in the job, you're going to be getting tips. You're going to be getting bonuses on top of the $19.50 that you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting that also in addition to your pay. You must only have a high school diploma. That's it. That's all they asking for. Excuse me. Number 11 is called American Pest in Fulton, Maryland. Data entry, $13 to $15 an hour. Part-time position. Must have a high attention to detail and a mind for organizing and an urgency to get the job done in a timely fashion. And you must pass a drug test. For this job, you must pass a drug test. The next one, number 12. We on 12. I hope y'all still with me. This is called Yelp. Everybody knows this right here. And it's you're going to be a local business scout. $16 an hour, part-time position. You can work home or out in the field. It's your choice. But they're only going to pay you up to $16 an hour. And this is a part-time position, and you're going to be called, your position is going to be a local business scout. Number 13 is Pacific Point Podiatry in Freedom, California. Medical biller. $20 to $24 an hour. $20 to $24 an hour. And you're going to be doing this online. I'm showing you how to make money online in 2019. So if you like helping people and resolving billing questions and concerns, this job is for you. You must be able to meet deadlines, bilingual in Spanish and English fluently. 2 years in billing, 2 years in a medical billing, and 2 years in medical and coding. Because you're going to be a medical biller. So you got to have at least 2 years in medical and coding. Number 14 is called Lamps Plus. This is in Chatsworth, California. We're up to number 14. This is a customer retention specialist. That's what your job description, this job description is going to be. You're going to be handling incoming calls on all customer service related inquiries. You're going to be making changes, making status updates and process cancellations with empathy and a focus on solving any customer issues on the first call, so they don't have to even try to call back. You're going to figure that out and work on your own independently and have empathy for the customer. And that is like the best thing you can do for the company, is have a customer service rapport with the customers, make them feel comfortable, have empathy, and you must have one year experience in customer service and the ability to multitask. So you're going to be doing like 3-4 things at one time. So those are the 14, and you can work from home. I show you how to make money online in 2019. And I also have another opportunity. If you would like a blog or you like your own website, sign up at Bluehost. It's a web hosting company. And for you signing up, I would get a commission. And don't forget, like, subscribe, share the video so everybody can work online, make money from home. Yeah, do that. Share the video on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever you want, whatever account you have, and you feel that this might help somebody. Yeah, share. Why not? Share the video. We can all get paid and we can all make this money. So don't forget to hit that notification button also. So when I do my videos, and I do them every week, fresh. When I do my videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. You'll be like, oh, she got another work from home video. Let me go check it out. But you're not going to know if you don't like and subscribe to the channel. You got to like and subscribe to the channel. You like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button, you will be the first one to get notified. So I would say thank you for coming to my channel. Bless you, and I appreciate you. You didn't have to come to my channel, and I just want you to like, subscribe, share the video, hit that notification button. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. You guys are the freaking best. I love you guys. Thank you. Enjoy the day. Bye-bye.